Okay, so here is the new power supply. It is a 28 volt supply, adjustable. It is super loud, so I'm borrowing this one for right now because it's capable and it seems to be working very well. Here's the amplifier right here, turned on. I have the new IRFP 250 installed, and then I did have to replace the switch MOSFET. I went back to the IRF 9540, and then sitting here turned on, idling current is about 14 milliamps. That's just the LED and the regulators. If I key it up here, it'll start jumping up to about 265, 270 milliamps of current, and that turns the MOSFETs on.